On this graceful morning, it is my privilege and it gives me an immense pleasure to share few concepts on yoga. Friends, let us start the session by chanting Omkara, followed by salutation to the great Patanjali Maharishi. I take a deep breath in. While exhaling, I chant Omkara. Breath in. Deep breath in. Salutation to the great Patanjali Maharishi. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मनं शरीरस्य च वैजकेन योपाकरोक्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिराणतोऽस्मि Friends, Sarvanga Sundara Vyayama, Prachina Bharatiya Dand Baitak, Ancient Indian Dand Baitak. Friends, Dand Baitak is a great treasure of our country, designed by our Rishis and Munis thousands of years back. Dand Baitak is a series of yoga asanas in the dynamic form. Today we see the Dand Abhyas, Dand Jor. The name of this Dand is Dand Jor. I am sitting in Vajrasana. This Vajrasana is an asana with a special characteristic. You can practice this Vajrasana at any point of time. Even you can practice Vajrasana after having a full meal. Now I come to Dand Jor. Now for every Dand, you cannot place the palms and the feet as you like and practice. For every Dand, there is a special measurement. What is the measurement for this Dand? From the bottom of the right knee, I take the span of the arm length. The span of the arm length is now the entire elbow, the length of the entire elbow plus the length of the palm up to the tip of the middle finger. From the bottom of the right knee, I take the span of the arm length followed by the palm length. I place both the palms parallelly on the floor. I rise to Parvatasana, my dear friends. The two big toes are touching each other. The back of the two thighs are straight. The chin locked. This is Parvatasana. From Parvatasana, the mountain pose. From Parvatasana, I come to Danjor. Danjor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I come back to Vajrasana after Shram. Friends, Vishram is very, very important. I flap my two arms. I flap my two arms like a bird flapping its wings. I flap the two arms like a bird flapping its wings. Now I inhale deeply. I take both the arms up. Inhale, take both the arms up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, take both the arms up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, take both the arms up. Exhale, come down. Now, the Danjor, I demonstrate in this direction also. Danjor, what is the measurement? The arm length followed by the palm length. Now, the arm length and palm length, we need not measure from the bottom of the right knee. Just you stretch your arms so that the torso touches the thighs. Now this is Balasana, my dear friends. Balasana is the child pose. Now from Balasana, I rise to Parvatasana. Here we have choices. You can split the feet to the shoulder length and come to Parvatasana. The back of the two thighs are straight, the chin lock. This is Parvatasana, my dear friends, mountain pose. From this, I go to Danjor. Danjor. 1. Danjor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now, I come back to Vajrasana. After Shram, Vishram is very, very important. I flap the two arms like a bird flapping its wings, or deeply inhale, take both the arms up. Inhale, take the arms up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, take both the arms up. Exhale, come down. Inhale, take both the arms up. Exhale, come down. Now this is Danjor, my dear friends. The name of this dand is Danjor. Friends, let us conclude the session by chanting Omkara followed by a Shanti mantra. I take a deep breath in. Breath in. Deep breath in, friends. Shanti mantra. Om Sahana Vavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Mavid Vishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms not more than 10 times. Make a cup of it and place it on the closed eyeballs. The biomagnetic plasmic energy, a great energy, sinks and spreads throughout of your body. Remove the palms, rub it again not more than 10 times. Make a cup of it and place it on the closed eyeballs for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Gently remove the palms. Open your eyes with a beautiful smile. Thank you. Thank you very much, my dear friends.